Engineered I-joists are great because they can span long distances to make a flat and solid subfloor. By tying the joist together with blocking, the floor is made stronger and stiffer. So one of the last things that needs to be done before sheathing the deck is to fill in the blocking. To make the blocks, David cuts sections of I-joist 1.5 inches smaller than the space between the joists. Then he nails a strap of 3/4 inch subfloor to each end of the block, making large nailing fins. The subfloor strips are ripped to be about 1/2 inch shorter than the height of the I-joist, so the flanges won't stick above the top of the joists and cause humps in the floor. He passes the block to Calvin, who lines it up with the top of the joists and nails it in place, top and bottom on both sides. Meanwhile, the other guys are stacking sheets on a platform for the inevitable lifting ritual. Up top, a few sheets are tacked into place as a staging area for adhesive, nails, coffee cups, and a radio. With a safe place for the Dunkin' Donuts cups, Dave measures to where the first course of sheathing will line up to. Not surprisingly, it's 48 inches from the corner. He pulls the string tight and snaps the line.
Pull the string nice and tight on the arrow. Snap that line, and now all of our sheets on that line will be nice and straight. Seams will look good. We don't always do our rim joist because we'll have a wall over there. We're not worried about squeaks. And we don't nail this part yet.
For second and third stories like this, David waits until the floor is fully sheathed before nailing the perimeter so that the rim can be adjusted in or out. This allows him to maintain a perfectly flat plane for siding.
We put a nice, generous bead. We have 2.5 inches of a joist to cover. We want to put plenty in there so it will squeeze out and cover the whole space.
On the joist that's 8 feet from the rim, run the adhesive along the edge of the joist rather than the middle. Because 2 sheets will break here, you'll need 2 beads of glue. The first sheet is walked over and carefully placed on the line. When placing the sheet, don't slide it around on top of the joists or you'll scrape off all the adhesive. Instead, walk the corners until the edge is where it needs to be and lower the other edge into place onto the line. Make sure the tongue runs along the outside edge of the building and the groove is on the line. When it's on the line, nail it.